So I first heard about Restoration Women from my friend Jessica Matheson. She texted me one day and was kind of saying, I've got this new thing that I'm getting involved with and I think you'd really like it. So I was hesitant at first and I was like, well, what is an encourager? What does that mean? And the rest is history. Being an encourager isn't just about you giving to someone else. You don't realize that as you're pouring into someone else, that they are pouring into you, that they are trusting you with what's going on in their life, ways that you can pray for them, ways that you can be in community with them. And so it becomes a reciprocal relationship. It is not just about me having all the answers, but us doing life together. As women, we all need community. Community is so important, and to know that you've got this person that is in your corner at all times and is willing to encourage you and say, hey, I'm praying for you specifically with this, is great. And for you to be able to do that for someone else, I feel like my cup was full the whole time I was involved with Restoration Women.